sing the song that makes us so happy.
Yeah.
We could
Dance!
Hello and welcome back to Skyline Gang Fans ATM how-to video. In this video today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a deposit at the withdraw and deposit area, which is obviously located at Iceland. We are at Iceland in Billericay. We're going to be showing you guys how to do it. So not only the machine accepts deposits, they also withdraw cash, which actually I didn't even realise it until then. So I thought, you know what, make a video on that and show you guys how to do it. Now, if you if you saw the video on the withdraw one on the deposit area, which is obviously based on a deposit and withdraw as well, even though with one tray, which is obviously the deposit one, and if you saw how to withdraw. And if you don't know how to withdraw, go ahead and check it out. It's on there right now. We're both out at the same time by the time this was recorded. And we're going to be showing you guys how to deposit now in action. We are depositing a £10. Now, great news is any bank cards will work. So you can do Santander, which I'll be using for depositing this time. You can use Nationwide, Barclays, Lloyds, any other cards. All the other cards will work. Not all the major bank cards will work. But mine will. So, because I obviously live in the UK, if you using a different bank cards around the country, it will not work. Just to be warned. So not all the major bank cards will, but if you live in the UK, it will definitely work. So yeah. We're going to head over to Iceland right now. We're going to be showing you guys how to make a deposit in action. So here I am at Iceland in Billericay, and there's a cash point, as you can almost see just over there. There it is. So we're going to go to the cash point and show you how to make a deposit at cash note with cash note and what card you have to use. This is the cash point that I was talking about, note machine. This is the one that accepts deposits. Before you do anything, we need to make sure any bank cards will work. I'm using the Santander card, and that's my actual card I always use quite a lot here. So yeah, we're going to do that. Basically, you can withdraw or make deposits, but that's a single thing, which usually makes deposits only. But that one you can also withdraw it as well. Very handy. So here we go. Insert the card to the machine. And then you have to enter your PIN, make sure no one's watching. And then you have the option that says cash and balance, cash and receipt, cash and no receipts, balance, PIN services and cash deposits. I'm going to hit cash deposit. Cash deposits are not supported by all card issues holders, of course. Please check with this issue to confirm that they are offer this service. My card does, so we're going to hit proceed. Enter the amount, so we're going to put a £10 in on this one occasionally. So we'll put £10 in, and then we're going to tap on. My hands here, change my hands here, continue. And basically, insert the cash facing up like that. Insert the cash into the machine. And then confirm the amount, and then tap confirm. Take your receipt and take your card. Nice and straightforward. So to recap, you basically put your card in, you enter your PIN, And then on the main menu screen, you choose deposit, and then agree to what it said on the screen about not all the bank cards will be accepting the deposits. Enter the amount, put your cash in, tap confirm, then take your receipt and your card. Really easy. So that is the Cash Zones ATM withdraw and deposit area on how to make a deposit. It's nice and straightforward. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Turn the notification on so you never miss out what's new. Thanks for watching. My name is Jake. This is Skyline Gang Fan, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.